my elegant divas and dons. I'm Deborah with Brownson's Forever Roses and Gifts, and I'm just going to show you what I use to make my mini snow globes with. I use these appetizer spoons from Dollar Tree, and they come in a pack of 12 for $1.50, and you can actually make 6 mini snow globes with these. And you just put your delectables, whatever you're going to use, in the middle. And I use the Linden snowman, chocolate snowman, and I used a couple of bells in the bottom of each one. And you just tape the sides together. Once you got it in, whatever you are gonna put in the middle, you just tape them sides together. Boom, there we go, your mini snow globe. How cute and cool is that? All right, my elegant divas and dons, bye.